This video is on how to cook conch the Haitian way. We call it lambi. Those are frozen. So what we need to do is wash them under water and take out the ice. After taking out the ice, we need to slice this open down this line here. We slice them open. We cut it open right there. Then after you slice them, this is how it looks like. So you slice it open and you wash it under water. You wash it well under water about 3 to 4 times. Then after that you squeeze lemon juice on it and you wash it with lemon, and in between those lines making sure that all the lemon juice is in there, and you let it soak for about 5 minutes or so. Then that would conclude the first part of this video. Then on the second part I will show you guys how to season it and make it taste very well. Thank you. In this video I'm gonna show you how to make conch in sauce. This is about 5 conchs in here, and I cut them, slice them thinly, that way the seasoning can go in there, and also it can cook faster because they tend to take a long time to cook because the meat is very tender. So those are the ingredients that you will need. This is salt, sour orange, accent, this thyme, and onion, old bay, parsley, and this has garlic. So this is parsley, and Maggi, and also salt free with garlic and herb. And you also need lemon juice and pepper. So you add say about 2 teaspoons of sour orange, and squeeze at least half of the lemon in the meat. Then you put your seasoning. We don't measure our seasoning, so it's up to your taste. So here we add some of the salt-free garlic and herb. We add that in there. I think conch, it goes garlic makes it taste very well, so you need a lot of that, and the parsley just a little bit. And we have the Maggi here. A little bit. And we add some of this Old Bay. Again, we start not with too much, that way when we taste it and see if it's missing something, then we can add it. And those pepper here, the onion, you will need it toward the end, and when the sauce is ready, you're gonna need your tomato paste. First you're gonna boil this, then you're not gonna add the salt yet. You're gonna, because if you add the salt now, it's gonna make it tender. It's gonna take longer to cook. So halfway, that's when it's about to cook, that's when you add the salt. And you add the sour orange and the thyme. This is how the thyme there. Okay, you have to wash this. I haven't washed this yet, so I'm not gonna put it in there. So you have to wash that, and with a fork, and mix it together, and taste it and see if there's if it tastes good. If it tastes good, then you first you add some olive oil. You not really fry it, but just kind of sizzle we just added some oil, and we added the conch in there. Now we're gonna let it looking at my camera. This is the final video on how to make conch the Haitian way. First, after the conch is boiled and the conch is soft, the meat is soft, you're gonna add some about a teaspoon of olive oil. Then you add some tomato paste in there, and then you put the conch meat in the pot. Then you add some water. You pour some water, about half a cup of water, or if you have the water from the conch meat, then you can add that out as well. Then you're gonna add whole cloves, about 6 of them. Then after 5 minutes, after it's boiled for about 5 minutes, you're gonna add some onions and some lemon juice. Squeeze some lemon juice in there also, and also add some salt. And you don't want to add too much salt because you already added Maggi and some other spices, so you don't want to add too much salt. And also, then after it's boiled, you can add some onions and butter. And this smells very, very good. So good. Bon appetit. Thank you. From my kitchen to yours. Thank you. Bye. Now you can serve. This is the final stage of the conch, and I'm gonna eat it. And this is I'm not sure how they call it in English, but it's called yum in Creole, and it's very good.